fried rice? If you do so, this is the video for you. Please watch it to the end to get an idea on how you can cook a rice. For today guys, I'm going to show you on how you can prepare vegetable rice. It is a very simple recipe, very tasty and very colorful, especially for kids. For those who might be wondering, my name is Faiza. I do easy homemade recipes on this YouTube channel. I would like to thank my subscribers for always coming back to watch my content, and for my new subscribers, welcome aboard. Remember to like this video, remember to comment down below, remember to also give ideas on what we can do on this YouTube channel. Ingredients guys, we do have our rice. This is boiled rice. We boiled it last night and stored it in the fridge for better results or even good results. We do have our green peas, we do have our yellow and red peppers, we have our onions, we have carrots that is finely chopped, salt, oil and curry powder for taste. So in our pan guys, we're going to add oil. Allow the oil to heat up, and then add our onions. So next is to add our onions. Cook the onions till golden brown.
After all this time.
So after your onions are browned, as you can see, you can add in peppers. Mix that. Carrots. And guys, always portion your ingredients well according to the quantity of rice you're going to cook. Do not use excess ingredients. Please go in. Curry powder, and some salt. When boiling rice, I had put in some salt, so I'm going to add some more to the veggies. You can add any other spices that you wish to add at this stage. Any other that you wish to add, you can do so. For me, I'm minimizing because of the kids. Cover that and allow that to cook for 3 minutes. So guys, we need to check if our ingredients are cooked. We need them a little bit crunchy. That's why I'm going to go in with my rice at this stage. We're going to add our rice bit by bit. Please do not mind my baby at the background. You mix as you add. Continue mixing. Reduce your heat. Reduce time. I need to make sure all my rice goes in. This is a very amazing recipe. Tasty. Do not boil your rice, guys. Do not just boil it and take it like that. Spice things up. Yeah. So we're going to cover that for some minutes, maybe 5 minutes, and make sure we cook on low heat. 5 minutes later, you can see our rice is well cooked. The aroma, my guys, wow, this rice is very well cooked. So switch off that. Yeah, so allow me serve and then show you how it looks. And so guys, I have served the rice. Here it is. So it's time to dig in and tap. The crunchiness. Wow. Amazing. And my rice is so fluffy, as you can see it. So fluffy. Yeah, this is basmati rice, for those who might be wondering. The rice has turned out to be amazing, very tasty. And someone might ask, which rice is this? This is sunrise basmati. Yeah, the orange one, the orange color. So please guys, that's the end of the video. Please remember to subscribe, remember to like, remember to comment down below. Try this recipe and I'm quite sure you're going to love it. So thank you for watching. Bye bye.